What happens if it keeps raining? What would happen if he told you you couldn't go? What if it looks like he doesn't feel like going? What will happen if she's not able to be there while we're there? What happens if they end up not liking it? What happens if he gets sick at the time he's there? What would happen if he wishes he could have gotten to do it more? What happens if she can't stop shopping there? What would happen if she figures out that you really didn't like being with her? What will happen if they find out you were the one that stole the money they had? What if they'd like to buy more of the things you have? What happens if she'd rather come some other time to see you? What will happen if they have a hard time solving the problem you gave them? What happens if they notice you haven't been there a lot? What would happen if they told her not to come the day you want to be there? What will happen if he doesn't have a chance to finish explaining it all? What happens if all of them find it too difficult to do? What would happen if they asked her where she got all of that money she has? What would have happened if she tried lying to him? What will happen if they don't see why he doesn't feel like going there? What if you have to pay more than $20 to get the gift you want to give her? What happens if the thing she showed you isn't what you'd like to buy? What would happen if they don't have anything to give your friend that came last night?